Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the 1/4-inch drive deep socket set from DeWalt. This is very handy for anytime you have to get onto a stud or something that requires a deep socket socket. So anyway, you open it up by opening the tabs, and what's really nice is, as all these kits, it has the removable tray here, so you can pull this out and it leaves you with a really nice tote that you can use for something else if that's what you wanted to do, and put these inside your toolbox drawer. So it gives it a super clean look and keeps everything organized. Everything's not rolling around. You don't have to buy the clip strips to put these on. So I'm very happy with the kit and that it offers that. It does go up to 14 millimeter. I wish it would have done 15 millimeter on this. I probably used that before the smaller 4 millimeter. And they are 6-point, which is what I wanted. So I'm glad they're 6-point sockets. I don't really have too much use or want to use the 12-point for rounding things. And so anyway, it gives you a good assortment for standard and metric, pretty much what you would need. And I guess if you need anything bigger, go to the 3/8-inch drive, and that one usually comes with some bigger size sockets. At any rate, really nice case, very durable, stacks very well. And they designed it really well with these side clips that lock into each other, and that keeps all of this stable so it doesn't tip over if you're going to transport it, or if you just don't want it tipping over in the garage. And so it really is a good idea that they had for these, to keep them together and sturdy for transporting them, or whatever you want to do. So the nice uniform look is really nice as well if you just want to slide them over and put them somewhere and stack them in your garage if you don't have a lot of space. So very happy with how that looks. Well, that's today's episode. Please check out the video description for my link that has my playlist for all these other tools that we're reviewing for DeWalt, and some other ones that I've already done. And I'll put that in the video description, as well as where you can purchase these. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe if you're new.